Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add product filtering in Shopify in 2025 step by step. Now filters help customers quickly find the products by the size, color, price and collection, and they can make a huge difference in sales. So let's go through the full setup of using the Shopify's latest 2025 interface for it. So first of all, you need to come here on shopify.com. Then you need to log in into your Shopify account if you haven't already. This is going to be your Shopify admin panel or the Shopify dashboard. So here in the left hand section, simply hover over and click on the option of online store. Now here you will be able to manage your store's menus, the search bar and the filters. So in 2025, product filters are managed through the Shopify search and the discovery application. So if you don't already have it, you will have to add a new extension or the application over here. So in order to add it, simply click on the option of add here underneath the apps tab, then click on the option of Shopify App Store. Over here, once you are here on the Shopify App Store, you need to simply search for Shopify Search and Discovery app, then hit enter. Now, once you are able to find this application, simply click on the install button, then wait for some time until it redirects you here in a new tab where you just have to click on the option of install again, and then this application will be installed here in your device. So inside the application you can click on the option of filters, and then you can start using the filters option. You can filter out your products with the help of the product type, vendor, price, availability, color, size. So you can just simply add the filters here and label them as per your need. So this is how you will be able to add product filtering in Shopify. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.